Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 3. Today we are going to start computer class. You can take out the computer book chapter 3 page number 30. In page number 30 you can see introductions to MS Word 2010. Now we are going to learn MS Word 2010. Okay. Do you know what is MS? What is word processing? Yes. Yes, the process of using a computer to create documents is called word processing. To create something or to edit on a word. So we can type on a MS Word also. We can create documents also. Okay. So this is a word processing. What is word processing? Yes, the process of using a computer to create documents is called word processing. In next page you can see there word processing. The term word processing means using a computer to create, edit and print documents. So what is word processing? Word processing means using computer to create documents, to create and print documents. We can edit word and sentence in a document. We can edit words and sentence in a word processing, change the size and styles of letters and make the text colorful. We can type letters and we can make colorful also. Okay, in word processing we can type something and we can color these letters also. Set the margin of page, cut, copy and paste text. Check grammar and spelling. We can check spelling also. Now, insert pictures in documents. We can insert the picture. For example, like this. This is a MS Word. So, I am inserting the pictures also. Okay. So, starting MS Word. How to start MS Word? Now, to open MS Word, follow the following step. You have your computer at home. You can use this. So, when you want to type anything in a MS Word, follow the step how to open MS Word. Click first step, click start button. Click on start button. This is start button. So, you can click there. Now, second step, now click all programs. So, when you click the start button, this feature will be seen there. आपका कंप्यूटर में ये features आएगा. So you can open this all programs. आप लोग कहाँ जाएंगे उसके बाद all programs. Next step. Third step, in the new menu, click on Microsoft Office folder. In third menu, we can see when you will click all programs, you will see these features. These features will be there and you have to click on Microsoft Office. This Microsoft Office. Then fourth step, now when you click Microsoft Office, you will see these features. Microsoft Word, Microsoft Paint, this. Okay, so you will go on Microsoft Word 2010. So you will click there. Now the following MS Word window will appear on screen. When you will follow this step, आप जब ये step follow करेंगे तो क्या होगा उसके बाद you will see the screens also. Okay, now this is the screen of MS Word window. Okay, now this quick access toolbar. This is quick access toolbar. You can see in your book also quick access toolbar. We can see this. Now this is title bar. This line is title bar. This is menu bar. Menu, minimize button, maximize and close button. When you want to minimize on your computer, you can click this symbol. Now this is maximize symbol. Now this is close button. When you want to close this, so you can click these symbols. Now file tab. This is a file line. यहाँ पर file line होता है. File line. File tab. Okay. Now this is a cursor. Cursor किसको बोला जाता है हम लोग? ये cursor lines means blinking. वो blink होता है. Okay. Status bar. This is a status bar. Workspace, ribbon. So these are the features that you can see on a Microsoft Word. Okay. Now in next page you can see the parts of MS Word window. So we have seen the parts of MS Word window, right? Now we are going to learn about the definition, what it means. You can see the File tab. What is File tab? So File tab, this button helps you open a new documents, open existing documents or save document. So in File tab you can open. So I have write something like I have write a letter. So मैंने टाइप किया एक लेटर. So I have saved that documents. मैंने उसको सेव किया है. तो आप कहाँ जाएंगे? फाइल टैब में. You can go through file tab and you can open the documents. Now title bar. What is title bar? Title bar. What is title bar? You can see this. This is a title bar. Now we are going to learn what is title bar. Definition of title bar is, it is the topmost bar on Word documents. It is a topmost bar on a Word document. ये topmost है. उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? फर्स्ट, टॉप में. टॉप में क्या आता है? टाइटल बार. सो इट इज अ टॉप मोस्ट डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑन अ टाइटल बार. इट डिस्प्ले द नेम ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट्स. इट हैज 3 buttons: minimize, maximize and close button. So in title bar you can see minimize, maximize and close button. Now workspace, the area where the type the documents, we type the documents. So in workspace we used to type anything. So this is a workspace. ये workspace है जहाँ पर आप लोग टाइप करते हैं my name is और we are going to. So this is a task workspace. So workspace, in workspace we can type anything. Okay. Ribbon. What is ribbon? It contains home, insert, page layout, reference, Millings, review. Like this you can see this. I will give you the examples. So this is a home button. When you will go there, you will see insert, design, animation, slideshow, review, view, format. These are, when you will go there, you will see these features, all features. When you want to color the printing or you want to do something, you want to insert the pictures also. So आप लोग कहाँ जाएंगे? First insert, then we will insert the pictures also. Okay. Now so I have told you how to insert the pictures. Start a status bar. It shows the page and what count of the documents. So status bar shows that how to count the documents. Quick access toolbar. It is present on title bar. It has commands that are used frequently. It can be placed above or below the ribbon. So title bar, we can see in title bar quick access toolbar also. Okay. Cursor, insert point. The blinking line in the documents area is called cursor. It tells about the positions of the type text. For example, this is the cursor line. We can say this is a blinking. When you will type anything, ये आपके पास जब आप माउस से कुछ कीबोर्ड से आप टाइप कर रहे होंगे तो क्या आएगा? ये ब्लिंकिंग लाइन. You will see this blinking line. Okay. Typing MS Word. Now we will go on typing MS Word. How you will type on a computer MS Word. To type in MS Word, follow the following step. So you want to type anything in your computer, follow the step. Step 1, open MS Word. You have to open MS Word. Step 2, simply bring the mouse to the location from where you want to enter the text. So simply माउस का आपको जहाँ पर आपको क्लिक करना है, जहाँ पर आपको लिखना है, टाइप करना है, सो यू हैव टू लोकेट, आपको लोकेशन उसके थ्रू में जाना है. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप, नाउ द लेफ्ट क्लिक and the cursor appears blinking. So left, when you will click left button on a mouse, so this cursor line will be blinking on there. So blink क्या करेंगे? स्क्रीन में blinking आ जाए. Okay. Now step 4, start typing. You will start typing like this. These are the examples you can see in your book, and these are the features that you will see: file button, a toolbar, text bar. So this is workspace. Okay. Now next, the cursor automatically moves on to the next line when we reach the end of the page. Now I will tell you one thing. When you will write something, आप जब लिख रहे हैं, when you will write something, so this is a last line, okay? So this is the symbol of cursor line. So when you will enter, it will be there. यहाँ पर आ जाएगा वो cursor line, okay? So this is the sentence that you have write. Now you want to go down. So for example, आप मोबाइल में कुछ text कर रहे हैं, right? When you are texting something, so this cursor line will be down. Okay. Next, in case of mistake, press backspace key to erase text on the left of the cursor. In case you have mistaken something in a word, आपने mistake किया है, so you can delete also. You can erase that word with the help of backspace key. आप किसको click करेंगे? Backspace. You can click the backspace, then you can erase that. Okay. Press delete key to erase next. Erase text on the right of the cursor. Creating new documents in MS Word. How to create new documents in MS Word? You can see this. Step 1. Click the File tab. So you have to first click the File tab. Now the backstage view will appear. Now this backstage view will appear there. Step 2, click on new option. You have to click new option. Then under the click on blank documents under available templates. So you have to click there. Blank documents. This is blank documents. You have to click there. Now step 4, create button. So you will be click there, create button. First step, you have to open File tab. Next step, new option. You will see this new option. And third step, you will click blank page, blank templates. Now fourth step, create button. Last line you have to see this, create new button. Okay. Now saving a documents in MS Word. Now you have finished the word, you have finished the letter, then you have to save a word, then you have to save a document. How you will save? You will follow the step. MS Word gives a temporary name to the new documents, which is documents 1. To prevent the documents from getting lost, one needs to save it. So you have to create this file. Step 1, click on File tab. You have to click on File tab. Step 2, click on the Save As option. You have to go through this File tab and you will see the option. यहाँ पर बहुत सारा option दिखाया जाएगा आपको. So you can save as, save. You will click on Save As. Okay. Now third step, select the location where you want your document to be saved in the computer. Select the option select the location where you want to save your documents. Okay. Next page you can see this. Step 4, type the name of the documents in the file name box. So last step, you have to type the name. You have to type your name. For example, class 3 homework or class 3 SST homework, computer, subject computer. Then you can write any names. Okay. For example, you are doing assignment work on a computer. So you will save like this. You will create the name. You will create the folders and you will save the names also. Now last step you will do, click on save. When you will click this save button, then your documents will be saved on a folder. Okay. Now open an existing documents in MS Word. if you have created documents in MS Word and you want to edit or see these documents, then follow the following step. So you have already saved the documents in MS Word. So you want to edit something or you want to see the documents. What you will do? Step 1, click on the File tab. You have to click on a File tab as usual, what I said. Second step, click on the Open option. You have the option, you have to click on that. Now the Open dialog box appears. So box will be appears there. So this is the folder name. So these are the names of folder that you have saved. Okay. Now choose the desired documents and click on Open button. You have to choose the what? Where is your documents? आपका डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपने कहाँ सेव किया है, किस नाम से सेव किया है, वो आपको यहाँ पर फीचर्स में दिखाया जाएगा. राइट नाउ you have to select this. So this is the folder you want. So you will select and you will be click here. Okay. Now closing your MS Word documents. How to close MS Word? Using the MS Word, you take the options to open many Word documents at a time in the computer. However, first finishing the work, you need to close the open document. So, you want to finish the documents, you have finished the work and you need to close the open documents. Follow the following step to close and already open the document. So you can follow the step and you can close or you can open this documents. Step 1, click on the File tab. You can click the File tab like this. Click on the File tab. And step 2, click on the Close option. You can see the option. Click on the Close option. In third step, you can see your current Word documents will be closed. Now, your file, you can click this File button and you will see Close option and your current document will be closed. Okay. Now, how to exit MS Word? How to exit MS Word? When a user completes all his or her work, she or he needs to close the MS Word application. When you finish the Word or when you finish or you want to exit MS Word, when you want to close MS Word, what you will do? To exit from MS Word, follow the following step. Click on the File tab. You have to click on the File tab. Second step, click on Exit button. You have to click Exit button. Now, your MS program will be closed. So, like this you can close your MS Word. For that you have to follow the steps. You can read the books. With the help of book, you can use computer at your home and you can do this MS Word system and you can write something letters, you can draw pictures also. Okay, so you have to follow, but you have to do this. Follow the step. Because we are doing theory class only, not a practical. I am not doing practical class, that's why I am telling you, you have to do this in your home. Okay. Now we are going to do exercise work. You can see this page number 35. Tick the correct option. Dash is a text type in a computer. Documents is a text type in a computer. Next, which of the following is not the word processor? Now, MS Word, WordPad, Notebook. So, Notebook is a not word processor. It's not a word processor. Shortcut to save a document. So, what is the shortcut key to save a document? Ctrl plus S. You can save by a shortcut key Ctrl plus S. Shortcut to move the end of the documents. So, shortcut to move the start of the line is home button. Okay. Now match the following. Homes, save, move to the beginning. of the line new documents, move to the end of the documents and move to the top of the documents. Now home button, you can see the home button B and control plus home is question number 2 E, question number 2, and question number 3 is D, move to the end of the documents, control plus end means move to the end of the documents. Now control plus S is save button, control plus N is new documents. When you will click control plus N, you will see a new documents. Now fill in the blanks. Dash is a word processor. MS Word is a word processor. Dash is the extensions we used with MS Word documents. Docs is the extensions we used with MS Word documents. Dash is the text we type in a computer. Word is the text that we type in a computer. Dash is the shortcut to save MS Word documents. Control plus S. Quick access toolbar is present on the title bar. Okay, now true or false. Title bar is bar present at the bottom of the MS Word window. Title bar is the bar that present false. Each time you press the enter key, a new line is insert. False. We cannot save our new documents in MS Word. False. This is we can save any documents. We cannot insert a pictures in a MS Word. This is false. We can insert the pictures also. MS Word program is used to type. Yes, MS Word program is used to type. Now you can do this in your copy. Exercise A, exercise B and exercise C. Exercise A, B, C, D, you have to do this in your copy. And exercise E, when school will reopen, we will do this. Okay. So for today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.